In this video, we will cover approved items. This video has chapters, so it's easy to skip to the section you need. The chapters are: what are approved items versus requisitions, what issues do approved items help solve, user permissions, how to add an item, how to add approved items to a project, how to bulk import products, managing requests for approved items. What are approved items? Approved items are a list of products set by you for either a site or your whole company. Any products outside of this list are not available for purchase. Creating an approved items list controls spending to specific products only. This means you can allow specific items to be ordered without restrictions or via a requisition system. Approved items versus requisitions. Requisitions allow your team to select from the complete range, but the order comes to you for a sign-off, and at this stage you can approve, amend or reject it. There's a separate video on requisitions which you can view on the link below. What issues do approved items help solve? Are you having issues managing specific products, incorrect products being ordered, managing lots of requests from numerous sites? Using approved items can help you easily and efficiently handle those problems by managing what products can be ordered. Firstly, a quick run through on the user permissions for approved items, as these settings need to be ticked for your user to order only from approved items. To edit the permissions, under My Account, Manage Users, you can see the pen icon to get to the Edit User pop-up box. Under the Permissions drop-down, you can see there are a few tick boxes that mention approved items. The first one here is that the user can only order from the list of approved items, and then the same here applies to requisitions. Having these unticked mean that the user will have access to order any product. So ensure that these are ticked on the users you want to order only from approved items. Now you have the correct user permissions, let's get into how to use them. We can find approved items in the My Account tab under the settings list here. This page is where you can create and manage your approved items list. You can add, search, view product details and delete items. There is also an option to bulk add items through a CSV import or delete them all. So let's run through a few examples so you can see the features in action. The first one is how to add an item. You can search it here and either add the products to all the projects, which means the item will be added to the list below and all projects will be able to order this item, or you can add this item without adding to any projects. This will add it again to the list below, but it won't add it to any project. By clicking this, it allows you to add it to the specific project of your choice, which I'll show you how on the next chapter. Just note that if the product isn't added to the project, no one will be able to order this item. So how do you add the approved items to a specific project? So once you've added your products to your list, go to the Projects in the My Account menu under Settings. This brings up the Manage Projects page. Choose the project you'd like to assign the item to. In this example, I'll go into the Battersea Power Station project by clicking this icon, and it will bring you into the approved items for that project. You have the option of either adding all approved items to the project, removing all approved items from the project, or you can tick or untick these checkboxes on specific products you want to add or remove. All of these changes will save automatically. So back here to the Manage Approved Items page, here we can see there is a search bar where you can search the items within your added projects, like so. At the bottom of the Approved Items page, you have the option to do a CSV import or delete all items. Please note that once you click on Delete All, you can't undo this action. So if you click on this by mistake, do get in contact and we can do our best to help you out. How to import bulk products. The CSV import button allows you to add as many products as you need. To do this, click on CSV import and it will take you to a page where you can download the CSV import template here. As you can see on the note here, it says that you need to change column A into a text format because a CSV will always take off the zeros from the beginning of the part numbers, like this. So to change that, select the column by clicking on the top of that column, and then up under the Home tab, there is a box that says General. Click on this and it gives you multiple formatting options. Select text, and now if you put a part number with a 0 on the front, it will not be removed. You'll see a little green triangle up in the corner because Excel doesn't like having numbers in a text box, so you can ignore that. You can either find the part numbers and write them down in column A, like so, or you can get in contact to get a pre-prepared list of basics for your industry. Once you have all the products you would like, save the file as a CSV by going up to File, Save As, and it may automatically come up with a CSV as the type of document, but if not, then you want to select the comma delimited type. Save it into your folder you want, and To import the CSV now, press Choose File, find the file you've just saved and select Open. To finish the process, select Import. Once imported, it will come up with how many items successfully imported and if there are any invalid items. They will be invalid either because we no longer stock them, there is a mistake in the part number, or the item has already been added to the approved items list. Managing requests for approved items. So when a user wants to request an item, they can go onto the web shop, and if they have the request approved items box ticked, as we mentioned earlier, they'll be able to see a box like this to request an approved item. This request will then send an email to the super user to let them know that they have a request. To manage these requests, go under My Account and Requested Approved Items. On this page, you can then reject or approve the item requested by simply clicking the tick to approve or the cross to reject. The person that has requested the item will get notified by email to let them know whether the product they requested has been accepted or rejected. Now that covers everything you need to know about approved items. And that covers approved items. Thanks for watching.